Hi everyone, I'm Tanea Marshall, and I've got another on point holiday health tip for you. We've heard about the significance of breath from Tracy and the benefits of exercise from Joseph and Artez. Well, I'm here in my holiday happy place, my kitchen, and I'd like to talk about incorporating healthy meals during this season of sweet treats and grand feasts. Now, don't get me wrong, I love all of that just as much as anyone. But I also know the importance of providing our families with the nutrients, the energy, the fuel we need to keep going during this busy time. One of my favorite ways to do that is to put together a big pot of vegetable soup. It's pretty simple. Start with some aromatics like onion and garlic and saute those in a little bit of olive oil. Add to that chopped vegetables, carrots, celery. You could also choose broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, whatever you like. Pour into that a broth base, such as vegetable or chicken, and you can even include canned tomatoes. I also like to incorporate a dark leafy green like kale, collard greens, or spinach. Make sure to season with your favorite herbs. My go-tos, thyme, sage, oregano, whatever you like. Also some salt and pepper to taste. If you'd like to incorporate more protein or meat, you can add canned beans, or you can even brown some ground turkey and add that. Bring it all to a quick boil and then let it simmer over low heat for about an hour or so. You're good to go with a fantastic meal that everyone will enjoy. Enjoy this season with your family and friends, and happy holidays, everyone.